Hey, today we are going to see how to install Mint operating system. That will be useful for your databases also. I will show you how to install Mint latest version. Here you can see this is the Mint downloaded. This is also like you can use apt get repositories. I will show you how to install step by step. I already downloaded. You can see here. Um, this is the Linux Mint 20 version. How to install? You can see now. Here I'm going to use VMware. Go here, new virtual machine. Later you can select it, Linux. You can verify whether it is there or not. Mint related things. If it is not there, you can choose Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, fine. You can give Mint 20. Go next, next, finish. Fine. Now you can mount the software. Here, go to browse softwares. You can use whatever you want to go with. Softwares, Mint, select it. Fine. Start. Okay. See, we got that, but here it's not installed. Just small basic things it has been executed. And click on this one. Okay. Now you can install step by step. English. Same thing. Go here. It's not required. Suppose if you are using any database related or any uh, web server related, they can you can skip this one. Continue. It is taking time. Okay. Install now. Continue. If you are familiar with Ubuntu, then this is easy. Okay, which location you want to do that? Kolkata. Fine. Your name, whatever you want to give. I'm giving DBA. My server name is DBA Center. Password, whatever you want to give, you can give it. And next. It will take some time. It's supposed to complete. We'll wait for some time. Here, like VMware tools, okay, and these things also it will be installed by default. This is very user friendly, and you can use for your laptop. If you install like Windows, you can use this. Lot of people who are working like embedded systems, these guys are using Mint operating system. That is very good, and it's very nice also. Okay, it's completed. Let restart now. Now what we can do is we have to lot of operating systems won't come up. Shut down and start. That helps you. It's done. You can log in. fine. You can close it. Just you can open the terminal. You can go with where you are, and you want to see a given cat LSB release. This is Linux Mint 20. This is the code name also. You can see the code name. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll get more updates on technical like database and operating system related. Thank you.